Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So, I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn to make this flower. So here I have used different color. You can use any color you want, or also you can make with one color yarn. You can use this flower in hat or blanket or any baby item or in anything. And for this project I have used 3 mm crochet hook and we need scissor. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more new videos. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot, then make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 1 chain, then make 9 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now pull the yarn. Now cut this yarn. Now put this yarn in the needle. So here I have put this yarn in this needle. Now insert this needle in this first single crochet stitch. Then put again insert hook in this last single crochet stitch in this back side of this stitch. Now turn the work and secure this yarn. Now cut this extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot. Now put this hook in any stitch, then insert this yarn. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. So now make the flower petal. So make 3 treble crochet in next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Then make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this next stitch. This is the first petal, so make the second one. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 treble crochet in next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 chain, make slip stitch in this next stitch. This is the second petal. So let's see how to make the petal. Make 3 chain, then make 3 treble crochet in next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 chain, make slip stitch in next stitch. So this way make more 2 petals. So here I have completed all the petals. Now in the last, make 3 chain and slip stitch in this very first stitch where we have started to make the petal. Now make slip stitch, then give a knot and cut the extra yarn. So you can use a needle or also you can give a knot like this. Now cut this extra yarn. So this is all the flower. Thanks for watching.